everyone, welcome back to our wonderful class. I hope you are enjoying yourself. Today, we are going to look at rational numbers. Rational numbers, don't forget we looked at fractional number before. Now, rational and fractional, well, it's almost the same, they are two, but just different, a little different. And here we're going to look at what it means, the types, the kinds of rational numbers, and of course, basic operation of rational numbers. Now, what is rational number? So, what is rational number? Rational numbers, just as what I said before, is almost related to the concept of fraction. But in this way, it represents the rational number include the natural numbers, that is number from 1, 2, and so on. It includes all numbers, which is 0, 1, 2, and so on. It includes integers. Integers, that is coming from negative infinite, let's say minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. It also includes fractional or a fraction of integers, that is, let's say minus half, 0, half, and so on. It also includes decimal. But don't forget, we have two kinds of decimal, right? We have terminating decimal and a recurrence decimal. This consists of rational. If you remember, under the fraction, you don't have negative, right? Instead of having negative, you borrow. You borrow from the whole number. For example, we have something like this. You borrow from the whole number when you are doing the operation. But a rational number, you don't borrow. You put the minus. Now, let's look at some example. So, let's solve some problems about fraction. Rational. Actually, they are closely related. The only difference is that other fraction, we deal with it without considering the negative. The result must give us positive. But rational, the result can give us negative, they give us positive. Now let's start. The first question. We have 5 out of 7 plus 16 out of 7. So it's very easy, right? We look for the common numbers, right? What this can go in and the other one can go in. What do we call it? We call it least common multiple. Remember? Least common multiple under O number. Okay, let's go. What is least common multiple? This can go, this can go. Oh, 7. So the least common multiple here is what? 7. 7. Okay? So if you write 7, how many times 7 goes in 7? 1. 1 times 5. So we have 1 times 5 plus how many times 7 goes in 7 again? 1. So we have 1 times 16. So 1 times 16. So open the bracket. We have 5 plus 16 divided by 7. Right? And 5 plus 16 is what? Yes? 21. So we have 21 divided by 7. And this is improper fraction, right? So we can turn it to be proper. How many times 7 goes in 21? Oh, very cool number. So this is 1 and this is 3. So 3 divided by 1 is what? And this is the answer for this question. Now, the second question. We need the common multiple. This common multiple of this guy, right? So this is a big number, so let us write it out. What will be this common multiple? We have 12 first. So 12 will give us 12 plus 12, 24, plus 12, 36, plus 12 again, 48, plus 12 again, 60, and so on. Let us see whether we can see least common multiple. 16. The least common multiple for 16 is what? You write 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16, 32 plus 16, that is 48. Wow, wow. Don't go too far. We have seen the least common numbers now. So we can stop here. We can stop. We don't need to move too much again. So the least number is this guy. So which means our LCM is 48. So we can now make it. How many times 12 goes in 48? That is 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So 4, so we have 4 times the number in denominator minus how many times 16 goes in 48? 1, 2, 3. 3, right? So that is 3 times 9. Now, do our calculation. 4 times 5 will give us 20. 3 times 9 will give us 27, right? 27, everything by 48. So 20 minus 27, obviously we have negative here because this is negative, this is plus, and this is bigger than this guy. So it's like you are owing. You know, I like to use the word owing because every country is owing these things. So you are owing 27, but you have only 20 with you. So if you pay 20, you will still owe what? 7. So we have minus 7 over 48. And this is the formula. 7 minus 7. You see now the difference between this and that. In the other fraction, if you say fraction, it will not give you this kind of problem. It will not give you this number because you have to use some whole number so that there will not be negative at the end of it. Okay? Let's move to the third question. Now look at this question. It's a very funny question. They have negative here. Don't forget there's a positive here. Positive here, negative here. And if you remember under integers, when we are working with operation of integers, we say that plus divided by minus is what? Minus. Remember? So this is very. So let us change this number first. So this guy, we can say plus divided by minus, we have minus 7 over 12. Plus minus again, we have minus 5 over 4. So this guy is the same thing as this guy using this one. Now you can find the common factor. Obviously, this is 12. This is 4. 4 can go in 12. So our LCM is what? 12. Least common multiple is 12. So you can write 12. 12 in 12 is 1, right? So we have 1 times minus 7. Be careful, there is a minus. Minus, how many times 4 goes in 12? 3, right? 3. Oh, you can't. 3. So we have 3 times 5. 3 times 5. So, without wasting much of our time, we can open the bracket using integers. So this course, the mathematics is foundational. You cannot jump. You have to follow step by step the algorithm. So don't say you are not interested in integer. There will be problem. So 7 times minus 7, 1 times minus 7 is what? Minus 7. 3 times 5 is 15, and this minus is here. Everything by 12. So minus 7 minus 15. You are owing Mr. A 7. You are owing Mr. B 15. So the money increases. So you have negative 22 divided by 12. Negative 22, because this is going. Now, we're almost done but I think we can divide it, because 2 can go here, 2 can go here, the way I'm looking at it. I don't know why they are using the same eyes to look at it. So if 2 goes here, I will have 11 left. If 2 goes here, I will have 6 left. So which means my result will be minus 11 over 16. If you stop here, no problem. If you use decimal, no problem. If you change it to proper fraction, mixed number, no problem. So how many times? So let me say how many times 6 goes in 11? Obviously, 1 time. And what remains? 5 remaining over 6. If you stop here, no problem. If you stop here, I have okay. You can see mathematics is very interesting. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is almost the same with this guy, but the difference is that we have negative here. So before we can operate this, we need to open this bracket, right? Open the bracket. We have minus 6 over 7 minus is what? Plus. So plus 5 over 8. Now we can find the common multiple. What is common multiple of 7? What is common multiple of 8? Let's go. 7 plus 7, 14, plus 7, 21, plus 7, 28, plus 7, 35, plus 7 again, 42. Let's stop here. Let's see whether we can see the corresponding number. Otherwise, we have to continue until we see common. So let's go with 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. 32 plus 8, 40. So we have not seen number. We have to continue. So let's continue again. Plus 7, 49. Plus 7, 56. Plus 7, 63. Let's stop here and let's see what happens here. Plus 8 here. 48. Plus 8 again. 57. Right? No, 56. 56. Now, we have common. You see, we have to continue. If you did not see it, you have to continue. So we have, I didn't, that mistake continue here, you have to know. So please, be careful. So this is a common multiple. If this is common multiple, what do? We write it out. LCM. LCM 41, LCM 50. Do you understand? 56. Okay, 56. Now, how many times 7 goes in 56? Obviously, we can count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So, we have 8 times 46. Plus, how many times 8 goes in 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Actually, if you don't want to do these steps another way, just multiply the variable. Okay? But I want you to follow the system we have been using. Now, 8 times 6. You can see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Simple logic. So we have minus here. Minus 48 plus 7 times 5. I know it's 35, but let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Math is very interesting. So 35 divided by 56. So now be careful again. Negative 48 is bigger than positive 35. So you are holding again, but you have this one. If you minus this from here, you are still going to be holding. So how much you are going to left? Minus 13 over 56. Can any number goes here? I think no. So if not, this is the answer. Are we together? One break. Let's continue. Perfect. Let's finish it. Okay. The last but not the least, we have mixture of numbers here. We have mixtures of numbers. So first, let us write it in the proper way because we have minus here, it's okay. Plus here is okay, but we have minus here. We have to change it, right? So this is what? Minus 3, my pen is very good, over 4 plus 9 over 8 minus is plus 5 over 6. And it was sleeping. Nice. Okay. Now we need what? Common number. What 4 can goes in, 8 can goes in, 16 can goes in. So if I need to think what is the number? I can see the number, I can see it's 24, but let us write it step by step so that you need to memorize where do you get the number from. So what is the common multiple of 4? We have 4, 8, 12, plus 4, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 4, 24, plus 4, 28, continue, 8. 8. What? 8, 16, plus 4, 24, we have 24 here already, plus 4, 32, you can stop here. 6. 6 is what? 6, 12, 18, 24 again, 30. So, obviously, I have seen my common, which is 24. So, write it out. LCM is 24. So we have 24. Now, how many times 4 goes in 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So we have minus 3 times 6. How many times 8 goes in 24? The part is here 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So we have plus 9 times 3. Now, how many times 6 goes in 24? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 again. So we have plus 4 times 5. Now we can multiply. 3 times 6. That is 18, right? 1, 2, 3. 9 times 3. That's 27. And then 4 times 5 give us 20. Everything by 20. Now operation. We need to operate 20 plus 27 give us 47 minus 8, that is 3, that is 29. Right? 29. No negative this time around. No negative this time around. So 3, yes, 29. 29